All right, let me walk you through again the interactivity of this dashboard. You can see the way it's changing. This is what you would learn in the boot camp. You can create an interactive dashboard whereas you're presenting to your board members what you came up with after your analysis. You can do all that from the dashboard without having to go back to um, your data set. From here, you can select the month to talk about what was happening in each month, and then you can take the filters off. Don't forget here, there's a scroll bar here. I can scroll to 2015. I can scroll again to 2016. You can see January 2016, February 2016, March, April, May, and I can keep scrolling like that. I'm confident you've gotten value for your time. Go high level program, you get value for your money. So we've been able to build and to train you and to help you build confidence, self-confidence that there's nothing in learning. So when we zoom out, this is what you have built. This is what you have built. And I zoom in, this is what you would have. And then you feel the interactivity of it again. You can tell what is happening in a region, central region, what your sales was like, profit was like in the south, in the east, in the west. You can check for your specific product accessories, binders, coolers. You see the way everything is talking and interacting. This is what we meant when we said 0 to dashboard in 7 days. And most persons in this bootcamp achieve this in 4, 5, 6 days. Right? So see you at the Go High Level program.